Hello Year 10 and welcome to lesson 14. In today's session, continuing with our theme of what you do during your holidays and on your days off. I'm sure many of you might go shopping, play sport, go to the movies, etc. But what if you do things just sometimes or hardly ever? Or maybe you do things every day or most of the time and you want to express that. You're going to learn how to express that today. Today's focus is on frequency words. You will learn how to talk about how frequently you do a particular action. The frequency word, in this case tokidoki, which means sometimes, goes at the start of the sentence. And then the action. Remember, all the actions end in mas. For example, if you sometimes go shopping or do shopping, we have this expression here. These here frequency words. Yoku means often, tokidoki sometimes, amari not often, and zenzen never have negative verbs. So these two here occur less than 50% of the time. So because of that, we use a negative verb. That's really important that you do remember that. Let's have a look at some examples.
時々映画を見ます。
So sometimes I watch movies. Sometimes I watch movies.
本はあまり読みません。
I don't read books very often. So amari, not often. Now note here that it is a negative word, ends in ma-san, a negative verb, because you're using amari, not often. We use the particle wa because it is a negative. Moving on.
休みの日に何をしますか?
What do you do on your days off? 何をしますか? 何をしますか? What do you do? 休みの日 is a holiday where the particle ni, remember you put one of the uses of the particle ni is to show when or what time you do an activity. So particle ni after the time, or in this case during your holidays. What do you do? What do you do on your holidays or days off?
よく写真を撮り
Just play that through one more time.
よく写真を撮ります。
So I often take photos. 写真を撮ります. Shashin is a photo. 撮ります is to take. If you're wondering in this example what soto there means, that means outside. So outside, and the particle de is showing the location. Location is soto, outside. De is the particle that shows the location of the action, and the action is all of this here.
スポーツは全然しません。
And if you don't play sports at all, then we use zenzen with the negative verb. Shimasen, don't play. So I don't play sports at all. So tokidoki, then the verb indicates that something happens repeatedly, okay, at intervals. On the other hand, zenzen and a negative verb refers to something that never happens at all. So remember, with yoku and tokidoki use the affirmative, with amari and zenzen use the negative.